Hi, I'm Sia Manisha Sharma, founder of Flower Organics, and we have been taking services from BDS Legal Services. They have done my trademark. I was like little stuck with the trademark in terms of some classes, and they really bailed me out from the situation.
Hi, this is Jigar from Hands in Technology. We have used BDS Legal for the trademark and copyright services, and also the ISO certification at our company is by them. The services are good and they are very quick in responding, and they take care of all the legal matters. Thank you.